Okay, now the camera battery is charged, and I'm going to see if this app DU type of Kinder Surprise egg has the same kinds of things in it that the original or classic does. Ooh, this chocolate feels and smells a lot different than the Smurf ones. I think it explains how old the Smurf ones must have been. Oh, you can see the texture. If you've seen the Smurf one, the texture is completely different. It feels different, smells different. I mean, you can't feel it or smell it, but the texture looks totally different. I think the Smurf ones are really, really old. Ew. What's in this one? Better not be Smurfs, huh? Not sure what that is. Number 2. Ooh, something fun. And let's see what number 3 has. These are a lot better than Smurfs, in my opinion. Well, it must be good, whatever it is. There's 3 warning. 3 warning stickers in it, or 3 warning inserts in it. Oh no, just 2. Oh, helicopter. Cool. Well, thank you to my best friend. You did put a smile on my face. Thank you. And now people have some idea of what's in these new Kinder Surprise eggs as of the end of February 2022. Thanks for watching. Bye.